Hello there and welcome to room 1607. This is a royal suite. This is a treat for us. We accidentally won an upgrade bid. I submitted an offer for it a long time ago, completely forgot about it, and this is what we ended up with. So as you walk in here, this is a living room space. You have two very nice sofas, a love seat, and a full-size couch here. This one will pull out into a bed for the kids. You've got tons of storage. We've already got our bags in there. Storage up above, literally more Bose surround sounds, some nice art and decor around. And then behind me on the opposite side here, I guess in front of me, is like not a kitchen space, but it's similar to a kitchen. You've got a very nice dining room table with space for 6 to have a nice meal in here. You've got a full wet bar with an espresso machine and wine glasses and cocktail glasses and ice buckets and literally more storage than you will ever need. You've got a mini fridge down here that is filled with, there's Heineken and Pellegrino and Evian and some sodas in there, but you can request from your butler literally anything you want in there. Make our way over here on this side. You've also got a partial bath over here. So if you've got guests, or like in our case, our kids staying in the room and they need to use the bathroom in the evenings, they don't even have to come on our side of the room because it's got a toilet and a sink. There is no shower on this side. So we make our way in here. This is the bedroom space. So you can see here a very nice plush queen size bed. And then in here, guys, this is a full walk-in closet. Got a huge mini safe. This is honestly one of the biggest mini safes I've seen on a cruise ship, probably the biggest. More drawers, plenty of storage. You've got full-on hanger space across from all of that. So honestly, whatever you've got, you've got plenty of storage. Usually I would imagine there's probably a lot of times only gonna be 2 people in this room, and there's plenty of storage for that. You've got a nice desk space here. Ladies, you can do your makeup here. You've got a full, lighting here that you can use. And wait till you guys see this bathroom. This bathroom is amazing. You've got 2 full-size sinks, 2 nice vanity mirrors here. You've got, of course, another full-length mirror here. Plenty of room to take care of business here on the toilet. No bidet if you care about that, but whatever. A very nice soak-in bathtub. And guys, look at this shower. You could be Shaquille O'Neal in this space, right? You got plenty of room to rub it up, dub. There's one other thing you guys absolutely have to see because, well, it's incredible. So, and that is the balcony. Wait until you see how absolutely massive this thing is. Got a table, 2 chairs, got 2 more chairs over here that have footstools below, and look at these cute kids, and look at that, it's a hot tub on the balcony, and it even comes with a cute kid. We've been in this room now for about 2 to 3 hours. We've been in this room. He's been in this twice now. So I think we found the person he's gonna be the cleanest person on the ship. Incredible views out here. Absolutely gorgeous. We're here in Port Everglades. We haven't even sailed away yet. So guys, again, this is room 1607. This is a royal suite on the mid of deck 11. If you're ready, we are. Let's go.